Hey everybody, Liz Pevytoe here. I want to talk to you today about it's time for a change, and I am specifically talking about the MLM industry, the network marketing industry. Okay, so let me wait just a second and make sure people are hopping on. If you're watching the replay, please type in replay down below so I can say hi. If you're watching on YouTube, hey, make sure you subscribe to me. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure you are following me. I'm getting really super duper close to hitting my Facebook friends limit. Why do they limit? Why does Facebook limit? You should never be limited on the amount of friends you can have. Okay, anyway, rabbit. So let's talk about why the network marketing, hey Edward, hey guys, why the network marketing industry must evolve. It must change at this point. Let me ask you a question. Did you know that the average network marketer's annual, that's what it's called, annual yearly income is $2,400? Which doesn't sound that bad because most people are doing it like as a side gig, but let's break that down, okay? First of all, a third of that has to come out for good old Uncle Sam. So $720 in taxes comes out of that $2,400. That, let's just say you don't have any expenses, you forgot to do your mileage, you haven't kept up with your receipts, hey Tracy, or any of that, okay? So now we're subtracting money, okay? Now, most network marketing companies have an average of $100 a month, and auto ship means you have to buy $100 a month worth of products in order to be eligible to get your paycheck, okay? So there's another amount subtracted. Then I guarantee you every network marketer who is actively attempting to build a network marketing business has a minimum of $500 a year in expenses. And I think that is really lowballing it because you're talking about doing your giveaways, your shipping supplies. If you do any kind of vendor events, if you have a home event, you're going to have to, give people food and all that kind of stuff. So $500 a year, like I said, I spent like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a year. That's if you I didn't even add up if you decide to go to your company's convention and you buy extra products then. So just that, the monthly auto ship, taxes, and expenses, guess what? You're in the negative. You're in the negative $20. So that is not okay. Okay, so let me tell you a story now really quick. So this weekend, this whole video is about this story right here that Holton Bugs told us this weekend, okay? If you don't know who Holton Bugs is, as soon as this video is over, go look him up on YouTube. He's amazing. He just happens to be my CEO too, okay? So there's a fish, there's an elephant, and there's a monkey, and they are in class together. And their teacher decides to give them an assignment, and the teacher says something to the effect of, okay, I'm going to give you this assignment, and the only way you're going to pass this class is if you complete this assignment, okay? You have to climb to the top of that tree right over there. As long as you can do, it's the same assignment for everybody, it's fair, it's even, all that. So the fish is like, wait a minute, Mrs. Teacher, if I even get out of this water, I'm going to die. And she's like, sorry, same assignment for everybody. The elephant's like, wait a minute, Miss Teacher, I can push that tree down, but I can't climb the tree. She's like, sorry, same assignment for everybody. The monkey's like, dude, I got this. I can do this in my sleep. My children can do this. It's all good. I got this. So she's like, monkey, you get 100%. 100%. You passed the test. So let me ask you, was that a fair test? Was that a fair assignment for all of those people or all those animals? Was it fair? No, it wasn't fair. And so to draw the parallel, network marketing in the past, we have told people that it's an even playing field, that everybody has the same chance, regardless of your background, regardless of if you have sales experience, regardless of this, regardless of that, everybody can win. And the truth is, everybody can win, or no, everybody has the ability to, or the option, or the opportunity. That's the best word. It'll come out sooner or later. Everyone has the same opportunity, but they don't have the same ability. Okay? It's so important. So do you know anyone in network marketing who makes over, let's just say $10,000 a month? If you do, I guarantee you that person is a very strong salesperson, a very good communicator, and a very strong recruiter. Okay? Okay? I never made it in my previous company to that amount of money. I made it to a very decent amount of money per month, but I never made it to like life-altering $10,000 or more a month income. And the reason is because I'm not an expert at recruiting. I got really good at product education, but guess what? Most of my team members weren't good at product education. I was with a health and wellness company, and I'm a nurse. So of course I was good at explaining health issues and how to support the body and all of that, of course. But my team members weren't. So that wasn't fair. It wasn't fair. I could do great product education, but someone with no medical background, no knowledge of our products, that would be difficult for them. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Like, network marketing in the past has not been fair. It hasn't been fair. Can you learn those skills? Absolutely. Absolutely. Can you learn how to be a better recruiter? Can you learn about your products and become a great product educator? Great. Can you become a better communicator? Absolutely. Can you take classes on leadership? Absolutely. But what are you looking at? You're looking at probably a 10 to 20 year waiting period of making that negative $20 a year, or maybe let's just say you make $1,000 per year. Who's going to stick around for less than $100 a month profit when you are putting in hours upon hours upon hours per month to grow a business that is not profiting you? Who's going to do that? Okay? So let me ask you this question. What if there was a better way? Let me ask you that. Raise your hand if you were like, wait a minute. I think there needs to be a better way, right? So what if you could build a decent monthly income? And I'm not talking $100 a month. I'm talking a decent residual, truly residual monthly income. And let me explain, because that residual income thing gets thrown around a whole lot in the network marketing industry, and I need to clarify. If you are having to replace members because you are having many members quit every single month, the average network marketing person stays on a product for 70 days, okay? So that means every 70 days you're going to have to be replacing that customer, okay? So if you're having to constantly replace your customers, constantly replace your customers, that is not residual. I said it. I sure did. I said it. So here's the first question. So what if there was a better way, number one? Two, what if you could build a decent truly residual income by giving away a free, listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth, giving away a free savings website to people. You're not asking them to get on auto ship. You're not asking them to buy products. You're not asking them to do classes. You're not asking them to do product education. You are giving them a free savings website where right now they can save money on their travel. In the very near future, they're going to be able to save money on ride sharing. They're going to be able to save money on their cell phone bill. We'll be adding more services as we go. These are just in the immediate future. So you're going to give them a website. They're going to save money when they choose to purchase those things through the website that you gave them one time. Every time they purchase something through that website, you get paid. Again, you're not having to teach the classes. You're not having to do giveaways. You're not having to replace them because you gave them a free website where they save money. and they're gonna keep using it forever, right? No fees, no nothing, it's free. It's 100% free, okay? So get this, that is what iBuumerang is. That is our company business model. I give away free travel savings websites, or now I have to just start saying free savings websites because we're adding new services to our website all the time. And then I'm going to earn money off their purchases, and I'm helping them save money. Guys, this is a game changer. This is different. This is unlike anything out there. Anything out there. I don't even really want to call it network marketing because this is unlike any network marketing business I have ever heard of. Ever. Does it sound too good to be true? Yeah, it does, but it's not. It's not, okay? Let me tell you too, people are like, oh my gosh, this is so new, oh my gosh. I'm making money. If you know me, like me, trust me, you know that I don't ever lie. In fact, I am probably too transparent, and I probably throw too much of my life out here. I am making really good money with this company, okay? Number one. Number two, I have personally used our travel booking platform 4 times, and it's seamless. 100% seamless. Just like using any of the other travel booking platforms, only I'm saving the monies. Yeah, I'm saving the monies. Okay, so get this. So have you ever been in network marketing before and it's like really hard to build a team because your team members maybe don't want to do classes and your team members maybe don't want to do product education and they don't want to do all that? Get this. Don't you think it might be easier? Number one, it's amazing that we earn money when our customers save money. But get this, don't you think it would be easier to build a team with a company when all you're doing is showing your team members how to give away free sites? They don't have to be master recruiters. They don't have to be great at product education. They don't even have to be great at communication. Because guess what my pitch is? You want to hear what my pitch is for this business? Hey, do you like to travel? Awesome. Would you like to save on travel? Great. Here's your free site. Done. Bye. See you later. Like, seriously, that's my pitch. That's the class. That's like, you can do this. You can totally do this. Okay. So if you want more information about the iBuumerang business, you can message me or you can comment down below if you're watching on Facebook, just comment down below with the number 5 and a star. I'm sorry, Mike, I'm sorry. I just did a live with Mike in our team group. He got me fired up. So yeah, sorry. Fired up. So anyway, okay, back. Rabbit. He told me it was so good. So that got me distracted. So if you want more information, just write the number 5 and a star in the comments down below or contact me. Here's the thing. I ain't chasing people down. This is an amazing opportunity. I will not chase you down for it. You either see the opportunity here and you jump on and you're ready to run with me, or not. It's not for everybody, but I'm not going to chase you down. I ain't going to do it. And if you are watching on YouTube, I'm going to have a link in the description for you to be able to go watch the presentation. Okay? Love you guys. That's all I have to say. It is time for network marketing to evolve, and iBuumerang is making that happen. Love you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.